Hello everyone, welcome back in Bullstock. And I have already picked another stock. And at 20 June 2020, Tata Steel is valuable at 303. If it will touch the 303 mark, guys, I think it is valuable. And the reason of the valuable is I will sharing you in this video. So watch the video without wasting our time. We are going to our video here. Here we are at Tata Steel. You can see the chart of the Tata Steel. I will I'll share you the information about the Tata Steel fundamental. Here we go. Overview. Tata Steel is the iron steel sector company. You can see here. And if I will click on the sector, it is the second largest company of the sector. First one is JSW Steel, and the second one is Tata Steel. So, and it's also belong to Tata Group. So, sure, मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि Reliance Group and most of the groups like Adani groups, most of the groups have been cracked up, but Tata Steel is not going up yet. I just want to share why I'm recommending you this stock at 303. Why? So here's the reason. I'll take you to the deals section. Here's the deal. Guys, at 13 March 2020 and the 12 March 2020, Tata Sons Private Limited, like promoters itself, buying the stocks, buying the stake in the company. They are increasing their stake in the company. Like they have brought around 77 lakh shares of the company. 77 lakh shares again the company. Like around 1.5 crores, around 1.5 crores shares they have brought at 12 and 13 March, and the last deal was at 300.56. That was a block deal or bulk deal between the Tatas. Tata Sons Private Limited has brought. So this is the reason why I'm recommending this stock to buy this. And now I will take you to the Tata's chart, Tata Steel's chart. Here we go, guys. Tata Steel chart. I have done my analysis with the Tata Steel chart, and I just want to show you this lines meaning of the chart, guys. I have marked the Tata Steel here just to buy at 303. Here it is consolidating at the price of around 320 or to 300, between 300 to 320. So we can buying around between this, but I will recommend you if it will touch the 303 mark, so we can go for the buy, or below the 310, and we can book our profit at Tata around 15%, which would be around 45 rupees from the 303, and which would be 48 rupees here. So we can book our profit at 348 to 350, so that we can earn the 15% return from the stock. So here I'm going to abbreviate my lines. Guys, yellow, this yellow line is for the buying opportunity, and the green line I'm recommending you here for the book profit line. First book profit should be here, but you can wait for the actual book profit, which would be around here. मैं यहाँ line बना रहा हूँ एक again green line. $348. Here we go. The actual book profit will be around 348 if you will hold the stock around 1 or 1.5 months or 2 months. It will surely give you the 15% return. And here I'm going with another, if I'm saying you to invest in this stock, so I will also recommend you to stop loss of the stocks. Here we are going with the stop loss, guys. Stop loss of the stock would be around 287. Guys, stop loss of this stock would be around not 287. This is a good stock. So guys, here I'm sharing you the stop loss of this stock is around 282 or 280. 280 would be the stop loss for this Tata Steel stock. And I will repeat, guys, if you are going to buy this stock around 303, it will absolutely, according to the analysts, touch the mark of book profit within 1 or 2 months. So I would recommend you all of guys that you can invest in this stock, but before going ahead, you should also do your own research. If someone is recommending you the stocks, so you should, I think so, do your own research first. मैं आपको एक और चीज दिखाना चाहूंगा इस स्टॉक की, which one is price range. From the February, guys, the stock has down by almost 90% of the stock. The stock you can see here, price range have down by 90% of the stock. So basically it should correct now because market is correcting. So Tata Steel also should correct itself for the upcoming sessions. And with upcoming sessions, that's why I'm recommending a stock that the price of 303, because the promoters itself buying the stocks in the company, and they are, you know, increasing their stake in the company. And if the promoter is going to increase their stake in the company, so who cares about the news and who cares about the fundamentals, other fundamentals like results and all the things. If promoters are buying at the 300 level, so we should book our profit at 15% or going ahead with that. So first target and second target would be here. I have recommended you around here would be my target at 4348. Okay guys, and the buying opportunity will be here of 303. If at the upcoming week it will touch to the 303, or you can buy it below 310. Below 310, guys, it is valuable if you want to buy, so you can go for it. I have shared you the information why I'm recommending this stock for the investment for 1 or 2 months, guys. Mark my word, 1 or 2 months would be the profitable. So here all about the Tata Steel, guys. Keep support, keep watching. Thanks for watching.